The Accelerated Growth Programme is a new Welsh Government and European Regional Development Fund support initiative for ambitious, high-growth, pre-revenue and established small and medium-sized businesses in Wales. If eligible, your business will benefit from a bespoke package of support delivered by experienced entrepreneurs. You'll also get access to professional advisors and masterclasses. This programme is exclusively targeted at ambitious businesses who want to enter their next growth phase and have the potential and determination to succeed. In order to be accepted on the programme, your business must have a Welsh base with fewer than 250 employees. You must also demonstrate you have the potential to grow turnover by at least 20% year on year, or, for younger firms, achieve a minimum growth of £2 million turnover over 3 years. Generate at least 10 new jobs in 3 years. Start or grow your ability to unlock opportunities in international markets. Pre-start and new ventures are accepted, but they must start trading within 12 months. You pay an annual membership fee, paid in arrears, which commences at the end of your first year on the programme. The cost is dependent on the age of your business and is offset by the Welsh Government and ERDF co-investing in your business's growth and making a major contribution towards the overall cost. Pre-start business, £150 per annum plus VAT. Growing businesses who have started trading but under 3 years old, £350 per annum plus VAT. Accelerating businesses who are over 3 years, £500 per annum plus VAT. To learn more, visit www.business.wales.gov.uk or call 03000 6 03000.